Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa. فقاتل في سبيل الله لا تكلف إلا نفسك وحرض المؤمنين عسى الله أن يكف بأس الذين كفروا والله أشد بأسا وأشد تنكيلا. Translation: So fight in the way of Allah. You are not made responsible except for yourself only, and encourage the believers that Allah may restrict the fighting power of the disbelievers, and Allah is the strongest in might and strict in inflicting punishment. After the battle of Uhud, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam promised Abu Sufyan, who was the leader of the polytheists of Mecca, that we will have a battle next year in the month of Ziqada at Badr. And when the time came, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ invited the people to come with him, and some of the people did not like that invitation, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in this ayah that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you leave in the path of Allah and fight against the polytheist, and if no one leaves with you, you leave alone, and you are only responsible for yourself, and you are not responsible for the other people if they do not leave with you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised you the victory, and you should also invite the Muslims, and you should keep telling them about the rewards of living in the path of Allah, and whoever will leave in the path of Allah will get the rewards, and whoever does not leave will not get the reward. And after that invitation, 70 people left with the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created a situation that no real fight happened, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put the fear in the heart of Abu Sufyan and in the hearts of the polytheists of Mecca, and nobody even showed up for the fight at that time. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala held the fight, and there was no fight as he promised. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made all the Muslims, including Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, return to Medina without any harm or any loss. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has warned everyone that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's fight and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's punishment is much more stronger and severe than the fighting against the polytheists and non-believers. So if somebody is thinking that the fight with the polytheist and non-believer is very difficult, and they fear about the fight and fear about dying in the fight, how come they can bear the punishment in the fight against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us act on the commandments of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.